This is the Aetna Quote and Enroll platform. It does have a sandbox link, so you can practice in it without actually starting an enrollment, which is really cool. But the reason I want to go through this is pretty simple. The Aetna platform will allow you to piece together all types of products so that you can give your client the best case and worst case scenario for the products that they want, meaning you can add everything in a perfect world that the client would want. And then based on the price that they see, you can start taking products away from them to fit their budget. So I'm running this as a Tennessee zip code for a 65-year-old female who does not use tobacco. Click on View Products. It will show you everything available in that person's area. Now, whether or not they actually qualify based on age, you can find out by hitting this little plus button. So if you know that they're a MedSup client, let's say that their Part A start date was, that's October birthday, so we'll just do October 1st. Household discount. We're going to run this as a single, but you could add up at the top an applicant B, which would then allow you to click on household discount. Or if they already have somebody enrolled in an Aetna plan in their household, you can go ahead and click on household discount there as well. Their application type, whether it's open enrollment, guaranteed issue, or underwritten, this would particularly be open enrollment. And then you hit quote. And quote is then going to allow you to choose the plan that your client would want. We all know that most plans anymore are G or N. Let's say that this person does want the G. They want the freedom, they want the most amount of coverage, and they're willing to pay the price for it. So you can add your plan G by clicking on that and then hit add to cart. So you can see here that your cart shows just that plan G total, 131 or 133.61. But let's say your client also talked to you about cancer insurance. Let's go down here, click on the little cancer expander. Let's say they want $20,000 in cancer insurance, only for themselves, and you hit quote. You'll see there it's just shy of $60 and $64 with the reoccurrence rider. At 65, honestly, the reoccurrence rider is probably worth an added $5 a month because it will actually start to redo the policy in 2 years at a discounted face value. I think it's like 20% of the face value, and then it ticks up every year that they continue to be cancer free. So let's do the reoccurrence rider, and we can add that to cart. And see that takes the fee up to $198, but that is both the MedSup and the cancer insurance. If you want to add home care, just because that was something that was brought up in your needs assessment, you can do this as well, which is really kind of cool. Again, you can add everything all at once, and then you can kind of par it down based on what the client is willing to afford, and make it really, really simple based on, we don't need a lump sum cancer, we don't need the ambulance rider because they're on a supplement. Just hit the quote button. And then see, it even outlines the additional riders that you can add. So you can see that price and just go ahead and add it if you want. But currently the premium is $13.82 for the home care indemnity, and then your daily hospital indemnity, which is included in the plan, for $213. So you can just go ahead and add that to cart. It's pretty minimal. And then you can go back up here. You can even play with their dental, vision, and hearing plans. And you can do insured only. And all you have to do here is hit quote. And then it will show you the pricing based on age and area. So let's say they know they have some dental work coming up. They want a $2,000 benefit, add to cart. Now we're at just over that $250 price range. Well, you can show that to your client and say, based on everything we talked about, Miss Smith, this is what all your products through Aetna would cost you. And if she's like, man, I don't know. I don't think I want to afford that. Can we get it down a little bit? Then you can start asking questions. Well, how important is your dental? Well, it's kind of important, but I'm sure I can just go ahead and pay cash. I don't have too many things wrong with my teeth. Okay, well, let's save 41.44 and let's get rid of that. Let's hit your little trash can icon, and there we go. We're back down to 214. Miss Smith, is that more affordable? Yeah, absolutely. I can do that. Fantastic. So 414.16 a month, that's going to be fine with you, billed from Aetna. Absolutely, not a problem. So we're just going to go ahead and hit start enrollment. Um, so if you're not appointed, it's going to come up right here. For the purposes of this training, we're going to ignore that and just hit OK and move on. And then here we can enter Betty Smith, and she is a legal resident of the United States, and we're going to start enrollment. This is where it gets even more cool as to how this setup is, because it takes all the plan eligibility, all the health history, and puts it all in one place for all plans. So you don't have to go in there and fill out the separate applications for separate policies. It allows you to do everything at once. It will allow you to put in the payment information, your agent information, and it will allow you to allow the person to review and sign. If they do decide that they do not want a plan as you move through this process, you can still negate them. So once you fill out all this information, unfortunately, I don't have a Medicare number or a dummy Medicare number. Um, so if I had a Medicare number, we could move through this. But on the next page, with this benefits and plan information, it will allow you one more chance to take out some of the plans or products that you have added if your client does get a little price scared. But this makes cross-selling really crazy simple. And it doesn't overcomplicate it for you or the client. Sometimes agents are afraid to bring something up because they don't want to overload the client. By putting everything in one place with one carrier, like you're able to do with Aetna, it simplifies the process for you and your client, which makes it more palatable on both sides. And it makes it a lot more easy for you to get adjusted to cross-selling. Now, there are going to be some niches and some underwriting niches. And Aetna does have some tougher questions for their cancer insurance compared to other carriers. But if it's in one place and the person can answer no to 7 questions instead of 3 to 5, let them answer no to 7 questions. Make your life easier. Their price is worth it. Most carriers who are more stringent on their underwriting are going to be more cost effective and vice versa. So kind of weigh your options. There are other carriers that offer similar platforms, but Aetna has the most amount of products, including their their Medicare supplement in one place on one quote engine that you can bundle. Just kind of like a Progressive commercial, which makes things crazy simple. So I wanted to bring this all to your attention. If you have any questions, please reach out to your sales development manager, Brandon, or myself at NCC, and we will all be happy to help you. The Aetna appointment process is crazy simple. You get a writing number in under a week in most cases, and we can push that paper through really quickly. So if you're not already appointed on their senior supplement side, that's really important. This is not Medicare Advantage. This is not their prescription drug contract. This is their senior supplemental contract. So if you don't already have it, let us know. We'll get you appointed. We'll walk you through the process and we'll get everything set up for you.